Hey folks, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. Yeah, we've had some complaints about this bike not working properly, and seems like everything's working to me. It's probably a mid-80s mongoose mountain bike. If you know what year this is, please chime in with all the internet knowledge out there. Somebody will know. I bought this in Santa Fe quite a few years ago from a Habitat for Humanity that I worked at. Someone brought it in and donated it, and I bought it for 20 bucks, and it was in pretty bad shape, and it's not much better now. Boy, those are kind of pointy. Yeah, wow, that's pretty pointy there. Anyway, I got dirty. Wifey said it wasn't shifting too good. The chain is a bit gummy. Let's go take it for a ride and see what the jury says. Seems like it's okay to me. Anyway, yeah, what do you want for a 25-year-old mongoose maneuver? Look at the trapezoidal tube here. Yeah, if you guys know what year this is, chime in. Okay, always wear your helmet. Okay, man, it's set up for tall people, that's for sure. Okay, let's go check it out. We got our own little course down here. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That's why you wear a helmet. Okay, we're in super low right now. Low works pretty good. See if we can... Oh, that's the front one. I forget about this bike. Right. Oh, there we go. All right, we got into second. Yeah, that's second gear. Okay, let's see if we can. We'll go back. Oh, yeah. Shifter's a little gummy. Chain is gummy and dirty, and the shifter isn't returning right away, but it seems to be okay. And let's get to a high gear. Third. There's fourth. I better spray some WD in here. Yeah, that's a little gummy. You know we have to hit the burn pile, right? We have to hit this pile. It's a must. Whoa, we overshot it. It's a must when you test a bike here at Faulkner Fixes All. You have to hit that pile. If you don't, then you're just sorely disappointed. Okay, let's see, let's get to higher gears here. Here's that. Oh, that's 30. She rarely goes into the higher gears. I think I'm just going to spray some WD in this and work it back and forth. It's not quite returning. Let's see here. I did replace all these cables. Wonder what cable this is. Let's see. Let's follow it down. Oh, that's the brake. Oh, it's this gear cable here. Looks like I replaced those two recently. Huh. Yeah. It sure is dirty. I think what we're gonna do is maybe a good cleaning on the derailleur. Yeah, it's really dirty. I wish I had a new gear for that. The chain is disgusting. She rarely goes into these top gears on here, so it's just these 3 or 4 here that have to work. It just needs a good cleaning and maybe a cable lube. Yeah, seems to be all right. Oh. All right. Yeah, this isn't quite returning correctly. This should be a little more springy. I wonder if it's loose inside. No, that's how it's supposed to be. I think I'm just going to clean the derailleur and blast some air in there, I think. It's pretty nasty. If the chain was really stretched, then you'd be in high gear and it'd be popping. I don't feel any of that happening. It's just, when you go into the... This doesn't seem to return as quickly as it used to. Maybe it's time to relube those cables. I only put them in like, oh man, last year. They should be good. It wasn't sitting outside or anything. Okay, let's see if we can make this hill. That's the true test. Yeah, we're gonna go back through there. Oh, we're not even in first. There we go. We're in second. We're in first. Okay, we should be able to make this hill. Testing an 85 mongoose maneuver. Hey, chime in if you know the exact year. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we did it. This thing is super compound low. Yeah, I think we're gonna spray some cleaner in there and blow it off with something. The bummer about this bike is there's no kickstand. Kind of a bummer. They have a kickstand that goes off the back wheel nut, but I'm not a big fan of those. You know, the wheel for the nut for the back wheel should just be doing back wheel things. Not a big fan of those kickstands on the back. All right, let's spray this down with something. I don't know, whatever we got here. Oh yeah, this looks pretty volatile. Better get some rags ready. Yeah, we'll spray this down. I'll fire up the compressor. I'll spare you on that one. But we'll give this a little shot. Maybe we'll get some cardboard under there. Cardboard is your friend. Or whatever. Doesn't have to be cardboard. Okay. Let's give it a shot. Sure, I'm gonna melt this plastic gear. That'd be funny. All right, let's fire up the compressor. I said I was gonna spare you. I lied. All right, we blew some of that crud off. I think we're gonna, I don't know, maybe we'll hit it with something lubricant like and run it through the gears a little bit. I don't have a bike stand free right now. Let's just spray it up a little. I should probably use some Tri-Flow or something. We're just gonna lube that up a little. Okay, and what did we say about this silly handle up here? We're gonna spray some in there. There's not really a spot to get it in. We'll put some in here. All right. All right, let's go give it a shot. We'll go give it a run here. Yeah. Blow all that WD off of my face, you know. Ride it around a little. All right, let's go give it a shot. I mean, it's got to be better, right? Maybe not. Stupid truck. Who put that there? All right, we'll give it a shot. I think it's okay. Woo! Oh, okay. Oh, it's better. Imagine that. Cleaning the crap off. Oh yeah, much better. Must have been some dirt in the derailleur, and this was kind of gummy. Yeah, it's popping right back now. Awesome. Okay, no expensive repairs needed. Oh yeah. In first? No, we're in second. Let's try to get first here. There we go. Yeah. Good. Sorry, bushes. Okay, let's see if this pops back like it should. Oh yeah, look golden. Woohoo! Always wear your helmet, even when you're cleaning bikes. It turned out pretty good. This is popping back good now. So there was a problem, although it wasn't a big problem. Just needed some cleaning. Yeah, this is popping back real good now. Oh yeah. What do you want for an 85 mongoose maneuver? Like I say, if you guys know what year mongoose mountain bike this is, please chime in. I'd like to know. I'm guesstimating 85, 86. I haven't seen that trapezoidal down tube like that, you know, down there in a long time. I was going to get this thing powder coated, but I would never find the decals again. Maybe. It needs some sprucing up. It's pretty rough looking. But I did get new tires and better bars for her. I'd say we are ready to take a bike ride now. And this time we will actually take it. Unlike the last time when I said I was going to take a bike ride and didn't. This time we're really going. It's too nice of a day. Anyway, we'll see you out there in Bent Creek. And I think I actually fixed the mongoose. I think it's good. Woo! Ta-ta for now. All right. Here we are. Another fabulous edition. A little fall ride for you. We're actually being careful about bears. They like to come out this time of day. And we're riding our Schwinn opaque green Super Sport. Only here on Faulkner Fixes All. Wear your helmet, folks. It's important, especially when you're doing a video with one hand using the front brake only. Important. Oh yeah. All is well. Thought we'd go for a little bike ride today. There's a couple of really beautiful days coming up. And then it gets really cold, like 30 degrees. So this is the last hurrah of fall, kind of. You are here. This is kind of the last hurrah before the really cold weather comes. So I'm gonna figure that out. Let's wait for wifey down here. And there's no bears yet. We've not found any bears, but that doesn't mean they're not out here. Usually when there's somebody walking their dog and they suddenly look up that way, that's a good sign that without the massive leaf, you can see the contour of the hill. And I think people see them, they look up and they see a bear or cubs or something. Anyway, let's hope that really doesn't happen. Okay, signing off for now. Thought we would at least clue you in on how to spot bears from your bike. It's very important. I'm gonna look over there. I don't see any. And yeah, you just gotta stop and kind of look up, you know, and look around. And I think we're pretty safe. Yeah. When you're looking for bears, make sure you have a bike that's fairly quick. So I think the Super Sport would qualify for that. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and have a great day, man. Get out there and do something before the cold weather hits. It's coming.